Hello, and thank you so much for purchasing my annual budget. Here are instructions on how to use it. This is the annual dashboard. Here you will see your total income for the year, how much you have left to spend, your total expenses, and how much you have left to budget. This shows how much you have left to spend for the year. This is how much you have actually spent, and then how much you've actually budgeted. This here shows your income for the entire year. So your expected income and your actual income for each month. This shows your expenses versus your income. So it'll show in dark, it'll show how much money you're making, and then how much your expenses are in the lighter color. This is how much you plan to save. And all of these things are automatically brought in, so you do not have to touch any of this stuff. This is just automatically brought in from each month. This shows your budget and your actual for your bills. This is your expenses and your debt, and then your totals for your budget, your actual, and the difference between the two for each month. I'll go into January and explain this a little bit better. So your total annual income budget for January is $5,500 for the month. So here what you can do is you can type in your start date. So you double click in here, click your start date, and then you can write paycheck, whichever paycheck it is. And I'm going to get paid on the 21st. And your expected paycheck would be, say, $2,000. And that changes how much you have left to spend, and then your actual paycheck is $2,000. Here on the expenses, next, if you want to put in your bills, you can put in bill 1, double click in here for the date, and your budget $100, and the actual for your budget is 90. So it would also change the pie charts and graphs as you put this in. Your expenses, double click in here, expense actual, and it'll show the difference. Saving as well, double click, put in your budget, actual, and it will add everything else up for you. Your totals will be here at the bottom. So we'll add everything here for you. Your actual and the difference, it will add everything for you. And at the bottom, it also has totals as well. Everything for January. So you have a total income of $3,500. On January, it will populate $3,500 for your income. So everything will automatically populate here on the annual dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.